Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So this is part 2 of our tour at Gibbs Garden. If you missed some of the informations about the tickets and what to do at Gibbs Garden, you may watch the first part of this video and other videos I had before, which I will post the link of part 1 which was featured last week on the description. The areas where visitors are allowed have arrows. You just follow the arrows so you will not get lost because it's about 376-acre property. If you wish to immediately proceed to the daffodil area, it will be on the right side from the area where maps are handed out. There are over 20 million daffodils planted on this area, which is about 50 acres with 60 varieties. The blooms will usually last for about 6 weeks, but this will not bloom at the same time. There are early, mid, and late spring bloomer daffodils. You can purchase some of these bulbs near their cafe, which is also the place where that lady hands out the maps. Unlike the Japanese gardens, this will require a lot of sort of climbing because it's on a hilly side, but you don't have to worry if you get tired because there are benches and you will surely enjoy the view. And there are also some birds that are just wandering, flying around and looking for food. You will surely be relaxed and enjoy the view, the sound of nature, and the people around that are having a good time. Usually every 2 to 3 weeks there will be different blooms that you will discover here. So if you have time, you can enjoy always the blooms from different areas of Gibbs Garden. So far, out of my 4 spring tour with Gibbs Garden, I usually find it perfect to visit there when I check their website or their Facebook for updates of what's on bloom, because most of this will usually be dependent on the weather. The daffodils are usually in perfect bloom from March to mid-April. Now let's head to Manor House Gardens, where it has Rose Arbor Garden, Sunken Terrace Garden, Hydrangea Garden, Rhododendron Garden, and Fountains Garden. The manor house was started in 1980 and planted with 20 to 30-year-old plants and trees to provide instant age and character. Large Japanese maples, American hollies, and willow oaks are planted closer to the house with the vines and accenting the corners. The home site is one of the highest crests in northeast Cherokee County, Georgia, capturing the beautiful view of the North Georgia mountains. The house was placed 150 above the water gardens and 30 feet below the crest, capturing the air currents to flow around the summer house. The gardens are composed of 18 seasonal color gardens and 6 feature gardens: Daffodil, Manor House, Japanese Inspiration, Water Lily, and Lijada color gardens. I had been visiting numerous times at Gibbs Garden. Yes, I'm also curious if there's someone staying in the Manor House. According to Google, yes, Jim Gibbs and his wife continue to live in the Manor House at Gibbs Garden, although it is not open to the public and visitors can walk up to the house and enjoy the surrounding grounds. Can you imagine yourself having breakfast or even just having coffee and getting this view? On the map, there are also some guides where you can enjoy some other blooms and which expected weeks of the months those flowers or plants will bloom. After we're done with our tour at Gibbs Garden, we head home and was looking for some other places to explore and have some food to eat for lunch. Going home, we were trying to explore some food along the way that we will explore and try. So we found this Kylins Sushi and Hibachi, which is located at 1494 Riverstone Parkway, Canton, Georgia. They are open every day except Tuesdays, and their business hours will depend on the day, so you better check their website, Kylin Sushi and Hibachi. They serve salads, vegetable roll, sushi, sashimi, roll, cooked roll, chef special roll, hand rolls, dinner sushi combinations, hibachi entries. You can also have some side orders, bento boxes, rice and noodles, tempura, etc. They also serve authentic Japanese drinks and liquors. From 1 to 5, I would rate this experience as 4.8. Food was really good, well presented, the ambience is perfect, it was just a little bit pricey. But I would say it's worth a try. Thank you everyone for watching! How about you? Have you visited these places? If not, you should if you are near Georgia or you are passing by Georgia. Bye everyone, till next time!